In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. Integrating ClickUp with Microsoft Teams is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, enhance team collaboration, and stay on top of your tasks without constantly switching between platforms. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or staying in sync with your team, this integration will help make everything more seamless. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be all set up and ready to take advantage of the powerful connection between these two tools. Let's dive right in. First, begin by logging into your ClickUp workspace using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing your workspace from the account you want to integrate with Microsoft Teams. Once you're logged in, you'll need to locate the More option. Depending on your workspace settings, this might be found in the top navigation bar or in the side menu. Keep an eye out for it. It's the key to accessing additional features. When you find More, click on it to expand the menu. Once the menu opens, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where all the integrations and connected apps are managed within ClickUp. Select the Apps option to move forward. Now that you're in the Apps section, you'll see a list of popular integrations. Take a moment to scan through the list and look for Microsoft Teams. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate it. Just type in Microsoft Teams, and it should pop up in the results. Once Microsoft Teams appears in the list, click on it to open the integration details. Here you'll see an option to either connect or add to ClickUp. Go ahead and click that button to begin the integration process. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're already logged in, you might just need to confirm your existing credentials. Otherwise, enter your Microsoft Teams login information to proceed. After logging in, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions to allow ClickUp and Microsoft Teams to connect. These permissions are essential for the integration to work properly, so make sure to review and accept them. Once you've granted permissions, the integration process will begin. This usually takes just a moment. Wait for the process to complete and, if needed, refresh the page to ensure everything is fully set up and ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. From here, you can start enjoying the benefits of having your tasks and communication tools working together in perfect harmony. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.